The Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle represents the performance division of Harley's lineup, typically offered under the CVO, Custom Vehicle Operations banner. These motorcycles are designed to deliver the highest level of power, styling, and exclusivity that Harley-Davidson offers straight from the factory. Equipped with the most powerful engines available in the brand's lineup and loaded with premium components, a Screamin' Eagle model blends traditional Harley character with cutting-edge performance. The price of a Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle model can range from Rs 45 lakh to over Rs 55 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the specific bike, variant, and optional customizations. At the heart of most Screamin' Eagle models is the Milwaukee 8, 121 or 131 V-twin engine, which is larger and more powerful than the standard variants. The 121 cubic inch, 1997 Cm engine, found in some of the latest CVO models, delivers around 115 horsepower and 190 meters of torque. The 131 version goes even further, pushing peak power and torque for unmatched acceleration and highway cruising. These engines are tuned for aggressive performance while maintaining the distinctive Harley rumble and smoothness. In terms of design, Screamin' Eagle motorcycles feature exclusive paint schemes, special badging, premium finishes, and high-end materials. These bikes are not only built to ride fast and hard, but also to stand out in a crowd. Components like custom wheels, LED lighting systems, and upgraded infotainment setups with touchscreens and Bluetooth are standard on most Screamin' Eagle editions. The ride and handling are enhanced with top-tier suspension systems, including Showa forks and premium rear shocks for better comfort and control. Braking performance is also improved with dual front disc brakes, often supported by reflex-linked Brembo brakes with ABS. Despite their size and power, Screamin' Eagle bikes offer surprisingly refined handling for long-distance touring and open-road performance. Inside the cockpit, riders are treated to Harley's Boom Box GTS infotainment system, complete with GPS navigation, smartphone connectivity, and high-powered speakers. Comfort features such as heated grips, advanced rider assist technologies, and ergonomic seats ensure that long rides are not only thrilling, but also comfortable. Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle models are meant for seasoned riders who want the best the brand has to offer: power, prestige, and personalization in one package. These motorcycles are not just performance machines, they are luxury cruisers, built to deliver a top-tier experience in every aspect of design, engineering, and road presence.